Today, I'll show you how to block ads on iPhone. First, grab your iPhone and open your browser. Once in, then click on the search bar and search for AdGuard DNS. Once you type it, hit Enter, and multiple results will appear. Now, from the results, click on the first official link that is in the blue color. Once you are on the website, scroll down and click on the drop-down arrow near to the option 2. Once you click on it, multiple options will appear. Now, from the results, choose the option for iOS and simply click on it. And then scroll down and click on the Download Configuration Profile option that is in the blue color. And after that, allow all the permission. Once you're done, and the file is downloaded. Now, head over to your iPhone settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down to General and tap on it, and then scroll down and click on the VPN and Device Management. Once there, here, you'll see the profile you just downloaded. Tap on the file, and then click on the Install at the top right corner. And that's it. From this moment, your iPhone will be using a custom DNS from AdGuard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.